Hi students, here we have to write a vector of magnitude 15 units in the direction of the vector I cap minus 2j cap plus 2k cap. Here students, we have given a vector, let's say it A, vector A equal to I cap minus 2j cap plus 2k cap. Then here we have to write a vector which magnitude will be 15 units. Okay, so here let vector A equal to I cap minus 2 j cap plus 2 k cap. Okay students, so here required vector will be, so here our required vector will be, therefore required vector equal to 15 into unit vector A. Okay students, so because here the magnitude of this unit vector A is 1 here, so we can easily convert it with magnitude 15 units. Okay, so here required unit required vector will be 15 a cap. Okay students, so here for this first of all we have to find the unit vector of A. Okay students, so here if unit vector, therefore a unit vector in the direction of vector A will be, okay, so here will be a cap equal to vector A upon mod of vector A. Okay students, so here for finding a cap, here we have to find the magnitude of vector A. So here now here magnitude of vector A, mod vector A will be under root, here student 1 square, under root 1 square plus minus 2 whole square plus 2 whole square. From here students, okay, from here 1 square plus minus 2 whole square plus 2 square. Okay, so here will be 1 square 1 plus minus 2 whole square equal to 4 plus 2 square equal to 4. So here will be 4 plus 4 8 plus 1 9, so under root 9. So here will be under root 9 is equal to 3 here. Okay, now therefore from here a cap equal to vector A, from here vector A equal to I cap minus 2j plus 2k, here plus 2k cap upon 3. Okay, so here a cap equal to 1 upon 3 into I cap minus 2 j cap plus 2 k cap. Okay, so therefore required vector of magnitude, therefore required vector of magnitude of magnitude 15 units, magnitude 15 units in the direction of vector A will be okay. From here students, 15 a cap. Okay, so here will be 15 a cap, 15 a cap, so equal to 15 into the value of a cap will be here 1/3 I cap minus 2 j cap plus 2 k cap. Okay, so here 3 5 ja 15, so here will be 5 I cap minus 5 2 ja 10 j cap plus 5 2 ja 10 k cap. Okay students, so here this is the required vector which have magnitude 15 units. Okay, so this is the required vector which magnitude is 15 units. Okay, thank you so much.